Roar is one platform which we always look forward to every year. It is a wonderful experience for us and for the newcomers come to gel with each other. And this is one event which has become a family event for all of us. It is the event which the company does for us, the people who work here. So it is kind of Thanksgiving to everyone. And we love it and we always look forward for this event.
बहुत कुछ होगा, जो नए लोग हैं, पुराने लोग हैं, सब एक दूसरे से मिलेंगे, डांस, नाच, गाना, खाना, पीना सब कुछ मिलेगा। रैंप वॉक फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राइब के हिस्ट्री में हो रहा है, सो वॉच आउट फॉर द शो।
हर एक मोमेंट रोर का सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है सबके साथ बिताने का। सबसे ज़्यादा सफ़र जो मज़ा आता है जो बस में हम जो ट्रैवल करते हैं वहाँ से पहुँचने का और आने का सफ़र।
Very excited to go for Roar 2026. I think this one is going to be the biggest, the grandest, and I can't wait to have meet all different types of people all across the country that all love tribes.
More excited about the rafting part, so it's going to be my first time. So yeah, rafting is the one, and other competitions also I'm excited about.
I'm very excited, sir. This is my 4th year. Very, very excited. New faces, new people. It's going to be awesome.
Hi guys, welcome to Gyara. Ek le, the journey has officially begun, not just on the road, but in the memories we are about to make. So is everybody excited?
गाइस ये हमारा 11th रोल बल्लाबाद मैं बोल क्यों नहीं रहे हो 1 2 3
So we have reached the mandatory stop Jeetal Grand. This is where all of us stop for an exciting Mirchi competition which happens every year. It's a tradition that Tribes follows for every row.
Mirchi competition is about to start. Let's check the vibe and let's see how newcomers are feeling.
0 1 2 3 let's go. अंदर से लेके ऊपर तक सब लहर रखा अभी तो फिलहाल।
It was fun. मैंने पहली बार इतनी ज़्यादा मिर्ची खाई है।
So congratulations Yash on winning the chili competition. How do you feel?
It's very hot.
I am so excited. I want to express in my words. Nimja.
whenever we come here as a team, we feel bliss and out of the world. This place is so magical and so nice that we all feel powerful and we are so kicked for the coming year.
जीवनदायिनी मां गंगा के पावन स्थान हरिद्वार के हर की पौड़ी पर ट्राइब्स का दल इस साल फिर पहुंच चुका है। इस यात्रा को आगे बढ़ाएंगे कल, पर इस वक्त इस समय सिर्फ हर हर गंगे। Yesterday, entire Tribe's family attended evening Ganga Aarti at Har Ki Pauri. It was really a spiritual evening. Now, today morning, we are heading to Amatra.
Day 2 is all about being loud. So, are you ready to experience the joy all over again?
I know whenever I get into a road conference, something happens to me. I mean, I am charged 100 times more than what I am.
I think 11 times more madness, more fun, more awards, more performances. 11 times of everything that's good.
This is the first roar for Silky.
And I feel that I'm in some shadi and looking forward room in this dham.
As we are participant of the ramp walk, so I'm so excited for this evening.
Let's see, today I'm participating in ramp walk as well. So yeah, I'm super excited.
Finally, we are here at Amatra, all set for today's evening. We'll start with group photography.
I love tribes.
I am loving tribes. I love tribes.
I love tribes.
हमारे जोधपुर में ना कहावत है, जिससे वफा करो उससे सवाल मत पूछो।
एक बार फिर से रोर 11 साल 11 राह 1 11 मूविंग फॉरवर्ड एंड सेटिंग द टोन फॉर टुडे। आइए पहले लैंप लाइटिंग करने के लिए मैं मंच पे बुलाना चाहूंगा करतल ध्वनि की गर्जना से स्वागत कीजिए गौर सर का। कैन आई इनवाइट गौर सर, कैन आई इनवाइट राहुल सान and Sanjay sir, Parthoda, and our guest of honor for tonight, Mr. David Payne. So presenting on stage, Zenith with Ganesh Vandana.
सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, जोंदिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को। जय देव जय देव, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण
जेनिथ के ब्रिलियंट टीम वर्क के बाद बारी है ट्राइब्स के ब्रिलियंट टीम वर्क की, जो कि हम सब ने मिलकर क्रिएट किया है ट्राइब्स का एंथम। हर सिटी में जाके हर आदमी ने ब्रिलियंट तरीके से काम किया, मेहनत की और ये एंथम बनके तैयार हुआ है। सो कैन वी हैव द ट्राइब्स एंथम फॉर ईयर 11।
कद से ऊंचे हैं इरादे, उम्मीदों में कोई कसर नहीं, सोच को कभी नापा नहीं हमने और जोश पे कोई रोक नहीं। ये सीख है 11 सालों की, ये चाल है हिम्मत वालों की।
तू सोच मत यकीन कर अपनी अगली जीत पर, सपनों की जमीन पर खिले गए गुल हसीन से। अब ललक है आपकी और हौसला है आपका, क्या आंख मूंद कूदने का जज्बा है क्या आपका। ये सीख है 11 सालों की, ये चाल है हिम्मत वालों की, ये राह 11 सालों की तैयारी आगे जाने की। ये सीख है 11 सालों की, ये चाल है हिम्मत वालों की, ये राह 11 सालों की तैयारी आगे जाने की।
कद से ऊंचे हैं इरादे, उम्मीदों में कोई कसर नहीं, सोच को कभी नापा नहीं हमने और जोश पे कोई रोक नहीं। ये सीख है 11 सालों की, ये चाल है हिम्मत वालों की। ये सीख है 11 सालों की, ये चाल है हिम्मत वालों की। ये ललकार है 11 सालों की, दहाड़ है हिम्मत वालों की।
ये खास भी है, ये पूरा सब कुछ हमने इन हाउस किया है। रितेश created the concept, I wrote the song, Mihirda traveled everywhere, some places I also traveled, shot the entire film and you guys featured in this. ये सब कुछ in house है, this is all done by the teamwork that Tribe stands for, and that is the proof of this brilliant film, this anthem that we have created. Everybody's contribution, everybody's efforts can be seen in this, and those smiling lovely faces is what we stand for. This is what Tribes is known for. एक और चीज जो बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग हुई है, every year we have these hoodies, but this year something different has happened because one of our team members, one of our business unit has added a little bit to this hoodie to make it special.
We move fast through life, taking more than we pause to notice, and leaving things behind along the way. But what's left behind is never just waste. In the right hands, it finds a way back. Cleaned, broken down, reimagined, bottle by bottle, billboard by billboard. It forgets what it used to be. It takes a new shape, a granule, a thread. a piece of fabric. Fabric finds form through human craft. Measured, cut, stitched with care. Not fast. Not careless. Because sustainability begins with a simple decision. To not leave anything behind. To weave a new story.
Now you know that why we are special. A big round of applause for this initiative, a big round of applause for EcoMS team. They deserve this and all of us deserve a big round of applause. Let's applaud for ourselves. एक बार एक standing ovation अपने लिए. और अब तो शुरू करते हैं वो जिसके लिए आप सब लोग तैयार हैं. उनको मंच पर बुलाने से पहले एक राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर द वन एंड ओनली संजय शुक्ला.
आज हम लोग बहुत सारा मजा करने वाले हैं, कल भी करेंगे. और एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट डेवलपमेंट जो हुई है, इस साल हमने एक ट्राइब्स हैज गॉट टैलेंट शुरू किया है, विच इज़ अ बिग फैशन शो. एंड इन द जूरी वी हैव 4 पीपल. वी गॉट मिस्टर डेविड, मिस्टर मित्रजीत, अपने बिपिन भाई एंड निखिल.
ओपन Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op.
You guys are the distinguished jury. The first was the concept of the walk. The second would be the song. And the third would be the confidence while they're walking. Yeah. Thank you so much. Jury has shortlisted the top couples here. I'm going to just call out the sequence number and the name. The first one, Ayush and Janvi, sequence number 27. The second one is Nandini and Mihir, sequence number 15. Of course, you can't miss out sequence number 30, which is Ritesh Chaudhary. Sequence number 9, Upasna Pokharial and Amit Singh. Sequence number 8, Silky and Saurabh Chaudhary. Sequence number 14, Dilesh and Archana. Sequence number 11, Jagmohan and Divya. All the other participants are on the stage, please. The second runner-up is a joint winner. The first one in the joint sequence is the Dandiya people from Gujarat. The second joint runner-up is Ritesh and Nimisha. The first runner-up is Pasan Amit Singh, please. अब देखें कौन खेलता है और जीतता है. Audience, any guesses? It's Sulki and Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary. They were Super Platinum Award also, which is beyond this. Nilesh and Archana, ladies and gentlemen, they take away 1.5 lakh rupees cash prize. Ladies and gentlemen, the next segment is very, very interesting. It's a privilege and honor to do this set. Can I request Mr. Sonal Dabral and Mr. Mitraji to please join me on the stage, please. This one is for legendary man who's done enough for the advertising industry. Let me not say more. Let's play the AV to know who he is. It's a Lifetime Achievement Award for him for his contribution to the advertising industry.
बिपिन की जो एक सबसे बड़ी बात मुझे लगी, एज जो है ये रिवर्स में जा रही है. He is never gotten old from the time that I have known him. In his heart, in his looks, and Bipin ke there are many dimensions that I love. One dimension is obviously his relentless work that he's done for the advertising industry, and absolutely amazing work.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, please give Mr. Bipin a standing ovation for the Lifetime Award.
सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार, आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार, चक दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के, फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being so patient. There is one distinguished guest who's not been able to make it to this row 2026. There's a small message though for all of us, and we would like to see the video of Rana Barua, CEO, Havas India, Southeast Asia, North Korea, including Japan and South Korea.
Hello Tribes family, are we rolling aloud today? I couldn't be with you this time, but I have heard enough stories to know the room must be buzzing with energy, ideas and that signature tribe spirit. The roar. For us, if the last decade was about building momentum, growth, scale, this one is about breaking new barriers. And I think we are all ready to do that. So tribes, keep challenging conventions, keep surprising yourselves, keep roaring, and stay curious, stay fearless, and always remain unstoppable the way you are. All the best.
Dadu, thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, before we start the Mirchi Awards, I would like to call upon two distinguished guests here. A royal welcome for Sanjeev Mishra. Along with him, I would like to call the man behind the sweatshirt that we are wearing, Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary. We have three winners. And the bronze goes to Vikas from the creative team. Silver goes to Yash from Horizon and Bhavya Birla from EcoMS. Ladies and gentlemen, and the gold goes to Aryan and Surbhi, both from Pranetra. A big loud cheers to Pranetra team.
मिर्ची 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 नजर तिरछी शक्ल फिरनी हरकत फिल्मी girl do you feel me तेरा भाई भी तो hard है हर गली में star है.
And now this is a very, very special award. This is the first award that we started this year in 2026. So guys, what happens is whenever we do, we collectively come, all the branches come to Delhi, and from Delhi we move, okay? And in the buses what happens, there are spot RJs in between wherein they keep cheering. And in the bus, this time we have tried to figure out who is the most exciting, enthusiastic and hottest team who've been active, not sleeping, not gossiping. And the winning bus is Bus 3. Let me check. So do you want to announce this?
Bus 3.
And now, the guest for this runner-up. Yes, it is Bus 4.
Okay, everybody. So now it's time for awards. And that goes to
Everyone on the dance floor, my friends.
तेरा नाम जब भी तेरा
ladies and gentlemen. This is the time for the wishing well. So today we are giving 11 wishing well winners, ladies and gentlemen. Partial speaker, Purupasna, 11. Big hand for Muse. Congratulations, doing well. Amit Singh. The first one goes to somebody from us. Let's see who it is, he or she. Arman Bhavri.
अभी तो मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि 29 साल हैंड क्लब में ना होता, यहाँ होता तो अच्छा था. It was a pleasure to be with you all. Thank you.
And as always, we start the day with an auspicious performance, which is Ganesh Vandana.
लंबोदर तू विनायका तू मल्लोडेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया लंबोदर तू विनायका तू मल्लोडेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धि विनायका
Ganpati Bappa, 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 Moria.
How are we doing, tribes? Day 2, the bigger day of the Roar. Every year, Day 2 we celebrate with so much excitement, so much energy. और आज वो दिन आ गया है.
I hope all of you are very excited for today. We have a full packed evening for you all. It's the night of the stars.
The award goes to
because we have something very special, very dhamakedar, very shandar that's going to happen for you all, specially curated by our in-house team only. So can we get ready for the next act?
This act is inspired by true events at the December review this business year at the tribe's headquarters. This is purely for entertainment purposes. Any resemblance to any person or name is purely intentional.
अरे ओ सांबा।
जी सरदार।
शुरू करे रिव्यू।
बिल्कुल सरदार।
तो बुलाओ तीनों ट्राइब्स के लाडलों को।
सरदार।
हाँ, बहुत मजा है। कितना रेवेन्यू हुआ अब तक?
सरदार 90 करोड़।
90 करोड़। ट्राइब्स के लाडलो, ये तो प्लान नहीं था। अरे ओ सांबा।
जी सरदार।
कितना टारगेट था?
पूरे 100 करोड़।
सुना तुमने सांबा ने क्या कहा? पूरे 100 करोड़। बहुत बेइंसाफी है ये, बहुत बेइंसाफी। स्ट्रेच तो करना ही पड़ेगा। ये ट्राइब्स वाले अपनी डांसर्स को कौन चक्की का पिसा आटा खिलाते हैं रे? बहुत एनर्जी है इनमें, बहुत एनर्जी है। बहुत कटीली नचनिया हो। जरा ट्राइब्स को भी दिखा दो 4 ठुमके।
महबूबा 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 महबूबा, गुलशन में गुल खिलते हैं जब सहरा में मिलते हैं, गुलशन में गुल खिलते हैं जब सहरा में मिलते हैं, मैं और तू।
Thanks to Sanjay sir, this was a powerhouse performance. Did you guys like it? Let us now proceed for the next set of awards. दिल थाम के बैठिए अपने नेक्स्ट सेट के लिए. So let's put your hearts together and hands up in the air for our next set.
अरे हाँ, हमारा नाम सूरमा भोपाली ऐसे ही थोड़ी है कि मेरे तो तुम लोग जानती हो मेरा नेचर. मैं तो ऐसे 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 करके आइडिया लिखते रहता हूँ. अपनी तो हाँ एक डायरी है, लाल रंग की डायरी. एक दिन की बात बताऊँ तुमको, शाम को मैं क्या देखता हूँ कि वो दोनों जो है ना, लंबू और छोटू, मेरे केबिन के बाहर मेरी दिमाग की बत्ती सटकी. मैंने कहा तुम लोग कहाँ इधर इस वक्त कैसे? मैंने जो दोनों का कॉलर पकड़ के सामने लेके आया तो मैंने कहा.
क्या कहा?
मैंने कहा अरे हाँ तुम दोनों यहाँ. मैं क्या कह रहे, और तुम लोग क्या शाम को 6 बजे से आके इधर बैठ जाते हो और हमसे झूठ बुलवाते हो 25. ऐसे थोड़ी चलेगा.
हसीनों का दीवाना समाना गए फिर क्यों, बुरा है दिल लगाना सारा जमाना.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have somebody very important who wanted to be part of this road function but couldn't make it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the CEO for OMG, Mr. Karthik.
Hello, Tribes family. I'm super happy that you're all meeting in your annual gathering. While I'm sorry that I was unable to join you all, I'm really, really proud of what you all achieved in this decade. Wish you all a very, very best annual gathering, and may your flag keep flying high always.
Moving on, I'm going to invite somebody really legendary, a creative genius, Mr. Sonal Dabral.
अरे बारूद के साथ दोस्ती, जंगल के साथ दोस्ती, खाई के साथ दोस्ती, क्या हमारे असली दोस्त मर गए?
अरे वो तुम्हारे असली दोस्त ना लड़ाई के मैदान में काम नहीं आएंगे। लड़ाई के मैदान में ये बारूद, खाई, जंगल ये सब तुम्हारे दोस्त बनेंगे और काम आएंगे।
चल छोड़ यार, सिगरेट पिला। सिगरेट?
तेरी सिगरेट मांगने की आदत नहीं जाएगी कभी, हैं?
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Sonal Dabral. For people who don't know, the reason why we have Sonal in this chat show with us, you saw the Fauji act. We got a big Fauji, the guy who's done India proud. You'll not believe, from this close, he was shot 30 bullets, and he's among us.
Colonel Shivendra sir,
yeah.
I must say one thing. That video and your personal brand, the way it comes through in that video, I'm sure is 100% true because of your extreme experience in life and death situations. But that was truly badass.
Yeah, really.
Really, really good.
Yeah. Thanks.
Very
really
cool.
Appreciate it. I think so they've made it better.
Huh?
Sir, क्या है ना, मैं आपको पहले दिन से चेस कर रहा हूँ इस चीज के लिए. When powerhouse like you and company like us get together, I told you we'll form a company called Tribes Talent Management.
Yeah.
Remember, I've been chasing you.
Yeah.
Lovely content, backed up by lovely selling team. I think you'll rock.
Yeah.
In the whole game, we'll make some money.
That's.
But that's what the business we are in. Yeah. All right, sir. So my first question is, how did you get the idea of joining army?
So I come from a family of, I would say, warriors. My great-grandfather was in British Army, my grandfather was in British Army, my father was in the Indian Army. And I also chose to join army, but my reasons for joining army was not the tradition. I basically wanted to kill a man, so I wanted to see extreme kind of violence. Literally I wanted to kill a man, but I wanted to kill him legally, so there was no other way apart from that. I had to join the army only. Either I will play for the country or I'll fight for the country. So I couldn't become a cricketer, but then I went.
Sonal sir?
In a life and death situation like this, आप इतनी जल्दी उनमें कुछ तो ट्रेनिंग होती होगी, पर इतनी जल्दी उस टीम में फैंटास्टिक ट्रस्ट जो होता है लाइफ एंड डेथ वाला, वो कैसे बिल्ड करते हैं? और उस तरह का ट्रस्ट, क्योंकि हम लोग भी टीम बनाते हैं, टीम में काम करते हैं, उस तरह का ट्रस्ट हम अपने ऑफिस कल्चर में उसकी 10% इंटेंसिटी भी, हाउ कैन वी ब्रिंग इट?
सो जो टीम स्पिरिट आप बिल्डअप करने की बात कर रहे हो, दैट इज हैपनिंग व्हेन वी आर ट्रेनिंग. वी ट्रेन टुगेदर इन द मॉर्निंग ड्यूरिंग पीटी. वही स्क्वाड, वही टीम्स, वही सब कुछ ट्रेन करेंगे. दे विल हैव देयर ब्रेकफास्ट टुगेदर, देन दे विल गो बैक टू द फायरिंग रेंज, फायर टुगेदर, then they will come back to the training area, do their skill training together, then they will go back and have lunch together. They will be in the same barracks, they will sleep together, they will get up, play games together, and in the evening they will go out for a drink and have drink together. The team spirit is built when you are 24/7/365 with your teams.
Yeah, that's, I've heard it from my MD. He keeps saying you have to do a lot of sacrifice, take the team out.
Yes,
we do a lot of offside together.
This is culmination, like what you are having this event. It is our culmination of eliminating a terrorist. But इसके पीछे आपने एक साल कितनी मेहनत की होगी? It is similar akin to that.
I am Gaur here. I have a question for you.
Yes.
You would have seen Zero Dark 30, right?
Yeah, I've seen Zero Dark 30. Yeah.
So I have seen it 100 times.
Okay.
Okay, and Operation Geronimo. So there was a host of people, an entire infrastructure, which was collating information and putting things right for
CIA,
CIA and a host of others who was putting things in place.
Yeah.
The entire infrastructure supported the team for their mission, whether it was the Black Hawk helicopters or the pilots or the people at the back and the entire defense staff, who were coordinating and helping them to reach their objective. There was one person who actually took the kill shot.
Yeah.
Okay. His name was Rob O'Neill.
Yeah.
Robert. So my question to you is, and the analogy is when we are working in a team, and if I put it in the tribe's context, there is an operations team, there is a monitoring team, there's a creative team, strategy team, host of people. Even the person who's serving us tea, he is also doing his duty to the best of his ability.
Yes.
So Rob O'Neill was the guy who took that kill shot, came back, wrote a book, and made money. Was it an honorable thing to do by claiming that he was the guy who took the kill shot?
I would not comment whether it was honorable or it was not honorable, but what I will comment is that anytime saying that it is my kill is going against the ethos of the special forces. It is a team effort. Everyone has a role to play in success. It cannot be a single guy. So saying ki, and in that operation in Neptune Sphere, there were 78 guys totally involved. 2 Chinooks were 30 kilometers, 30 nautical miles away as a QRF. They were also equally important. Because when the Black Hawk down went down inside the compound, those guys had to be lifted up.
Yep.
So there is no single manship, I would say. It's a team. Everyone contributes. Everyone down the last man jack. You might be getting awards over here. So gallantry awards, I will tell you, it's like you have been lucky. You are at the right time, right place. You got it. But there might be guys who are great, very, very brave, but they don't get recognized. It happens. It is combat. So the guys who get the award must always thank that I got commendation card, I got these things. It's because of the troops who were there with me.
Yeah, true.
So that is what it's all. You correctly. Now what he has said in his Kanseki, I shot the guy. Was it for that? But it's a team effort. It's a total team effort.
Yeah, so my question to you, was it honorable or not? So which obviously
I don't think so. I don't think
so. We all agree that it was not an honorable thing.
It's not an honorable thing because combat and success will have many hands to it.
Yeah,
singular thing happening, I don't think so. It happens. Yeah.
We'll take it from the audience. Yeah.
Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Nandini. My grandfather was also in the 3rd First Gorkha Rifles. So I just wanted to know one thing. So he's also told me stories about glass eating, and I have watched one of your interviews where you've spoken about eating glass.
Yeah.
So could you tell us more about that experience? Or the
It's
tradition, whatever.
just a normal tradition that once you clear the probation, once you finish the drink, they make you eat the glass just to prove that you can do everything and anything. It's just it's more of a cliche. It's nothing great about it. You can also eat a glass. There's no problem. I don't find it that great. Yeah.
Thanks. I'll try that.
Yeah. But be careful. There's a way to eat it. There's nothing more than that.
Simple but important.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for inspiring all of us.
So good evening, everyone. Today is special, not just because we are at Road,
but because we'll be finally talking about something which we have been building from last 9 months.
For the last 9 odd months, we have been in gestation. We have been quietly growing, readapting, taking various shape and form.
And no big launches, guys, no noise. And no hello world on LinkedIn post.
Just heads down work, thinking, learning, leaning in with each other, building, convincing, clearing out self-doubts, and a lot of let's figure it out moments.
And today at Roll, we are going to say it loud.
That Ampera is born.
months of incubating, implementing, learning, and going with the momentum.
This has been our strong foundation.
And now it's time to let Ampera weave its magic and grow together with Tribes.
This is our journey. This is Ampera's journey with Tribes. And so far, this is where
the real roar begins.
Thank you, everyone. It would be hugely irresponsible of me not to talk about somebody who actually seeded this thought year after year, month after month, week after week, through many discussions and many late night conversations. And this conviction, when I didn't have it in myself, he saw it. I would like to call upon Gaur to just say a few words about this, because this baby is as much as ours as his. Thank you.
I'm very happy and extremely proud, and I think I never expected, even he never expected, and I'm sure his team, Silky and the other members, never expected them to break even in 3 months. So you cash break even in 3 months. And the only investment we did was for the first 3 months. And today, as you see, there are 20 clients in 9 months and already in green. So I think it is all their resilience, their hard work, their passion, their effort that they put over the last 9 months, the result of which is for everybody to see. And I'm extremely happy and proud. And my belief was on Abhi. And as he said, I knew that he would do a great job. And I bet my money is inconsequential. I bet my belief on him. And I knew that he would be making it big. And in years to come, I'm sure he's going to prove us right that, we trusted a friend and a partner who has been able to overachieve the ambitions or the expectation that we had. And most importantly, it is for everybody. Anybody, like Colonel Shivinder said, that the greatest joy is turning entrepreneur from being an employee. And don't get me wrong, I want everybody to be part of Tribes going ahead. But anybody wanting to become an entrepreneur, I would be the first person to wholeheartedly support you. And there are 2 examples which are already there. One is Manish, if you can just stand up. So Manish has been part of Tribes for a very, very long time. And he decided to turn entrepreneur. And I said, don't look anywhere else. We are going to fund you. And 2 months into the relationship, they broke even. And they are almost a 20 crore billing company today, okay? And we also have another example. So Hardeep was working with us for the last 10, 11 years. And I said, being in Punjab, small place, hardly any outdoor, you might not have a great future within the system because you do not want to come out of Punjab. So please think of a plan, give a plan to me, and we will see how it works out. So 1 year down the line, they are extremely successful entrepreneurs based out of Chandigarh today. So anybody wanting to turn entrepreneur, don't look here and there. Please come to me. We'll be very happily helping you to achieve your goal. And you will continue to be a part of the Tribes family. Having said that, thank you, Abhi. You've done a great job. Thank you, Silky. And the entire team. And if you can get your team to come up on stage.
Yeah.
Last year, the best film of this film showcase was, of course, InSyncPur. We all loved that film. And we would like to give a prize to InSyncPur team. And to do the honors, may I invite Rumjo ma'am to please come on the stage.
So the first film showcase for the evening is Ignite.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not
ready for this.
ना दे दिल परदेसी नू तैनू नित दा रोना पै जाऊगा ना दे दिल परदेसी नू तैनू नित दा रोना पै जाऊगा नाल रजे ते जोगी दे तैनू जोगण होना पै जाऊगा ना दे दिल परदेसी नू तैनू नित दा रोना पै जाऊगा नाल रजे ते जोगी दे तैनू जोगण होना पै जाऊगा
नेक्स्ट फिल्म नेक्स्ट के पास चलते हैं नेक्स्ट के पास चलते हैं
फिल्म शोकेसेस टीम इन सिंक.
जरा एक छोटी सी गुजारिश थी, 1 करोड़ का रेवेन्यू करा दीजिए ना.
पिछले महीने तो 50 लाख का रेवेन्यू दिया था, फिर से नई फरमाइश.
नहीं कराना है तो मत कराइए, बट इतनी चिक चिक मत कीजिए. शहंशाह आजम को एक बार में बोलूं तो करवा देंगे, इतने सवाल जवाब नहीं पूछेंगे, समझे?
हाँ जी.
है जी.
शहजादे सलीम, ये महामहिम का फरमान है.
हम लोगों को एक साथ मिलकर इस आजाद ट्राइब्स की सल्तनत को दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी सल्तनत बनाना.
ये फिल्म बनाने वालों को हम भी देखेंगे. आ जाओ स्टेज पे.
And the next film showcase is The Max.
So, young guns, 1 महीना हो गया तुम लोगों को आए हुए. How is it going?
सर बहुत प्रेशर है.
बहुत प्रेशर है सर, डर लगता है.
तू डरता होता है यार. अपने दिल पे हाथ रख और बोल all is well, all is well, all is well, all is well. गुरु मंत्र दे रहा हूँ, बहुत काम आने वाला है यहाँ पे.
This is extremely disappointing. We have been waiting for the deck and today is Friday evening. You guys still haven't sent it. What are you even saying? Does this mean anything? You just wait and watch. I am going to escalate this to your boss. Idiot.
सारा घंटे का ऑल इज वेल.
Out of control, तो करके गोल. तो करके गोल. सीट पे जाके गोल.
It's time for the showcase of Pranetra.
Welcome to Pranetra Universe. Every universe needs a momentum. And then there's the real world.
It is time for intensity.
ये कहानी है एक ऐसी टीम की जो अपने अलग अलग किरदारों की वजह से खास है. कोई बातों से काम चलाता है तो कोई काम से बात करता है. कोई हर सवाल का जवाब जानता है तो कोई हर जवाब पर सवाल उठाता है. जहां हर नया काम एक नई पंचायत बन जाता है. अलग सोच है, अलग तरीके हैं, पर मकसद एक ही है और इन्हीं किरदारों के बीच बसी एक नई पंचायत की कहानी है.
The next film showcase is Team Eco MS.
As the world pushes forward without a pause, we choose to stop, to question, to measure, and to correct our steps. Because every step we take leaves a footprint on tomorrow. Because the steps we take today will decide the world tomorrow.
Tomorrow, 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 tomorrow.
Today.
And now the next one is the Creative Team Showcase.
मेरी क्रिएटिव टीम ब्रीफ का ये गम मिटा जा बिग आइडिया दिखा जा बीच की रात रात है आजा साथ साथ निभा जा साथ निभा जा
धूम धड़ाका
Guys, wherever you are, please give a standing ovation to this team. This team has made it happen for Tribes, the only agency in the world which got a Cannes shortlist last year. So a big round of applause for all these guys. You guys have done a wonderful job. Extremely proud, extremely honored to have you as a part of our team. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
The next one is the HR and Finance Team Showcase.
ना बीवी ना बच्चा ना बाप बड़ा ना मैया The whole thing is that कि भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपया
11वां साल है महोदय।
क्या कीजिएगा इतनी धनराशि का?
बताइए भाई।
Let me invite our guest of honor, Mr. David. Give it up for Mr. David James.
I think I've got a really, really tough act to follow. And I'd also like to say a big, big thank you for making me feel so welcome to Gore and all of you. I can honestly say, sincerely, this is one of the most energetic, inspiring internal company meetings I've ever been to. And the display of creativity, energy, enthusiasm and passion for your business is amazing, and I feel I genuinely have learned a lot just by sitting here with you these last 2 days. So thank you for allowing me to be part of your event. We're an American company, and we have gone about a journey which I think is very, very similar to Tribes. We're an out-of-home agency. We're about building outcomes for clients, and we're about putting technology and data at the center of that. And we're really building a business that is going to be truly global, and a business that is putting a performance component to everything that we do in out-of-home. So we're building a business that is a real diverse group of people, diverse group of talents. We were born in the USA, and we spent the first 10 years of our existence basically as a US business, and through ambition, acquisition that we funded all ourselves, we have been growing across the world. We're over 480 people now across all major continents. We speak over 15 languages. We trade over $600 million now. We're basically setting out to create a connection between people and places, very similar to what you do. I will say we don't offer a diverse range of services as you guys. We have stayed very much in the core out-of-home stream, but we've invested in many, many ways that give us a differentiated proposition. So I think you'll be asking yourselves, well, why am I here? You can see that there's a major gap in our landscape, which is India. And we're passionate about India. I'm very passionate about India. I think it's a fantastic market. I think there's a lot of talent. I think there's an awful lot of brands here. And we've been looking for a partner and how we can grow and develop in India. Now, we think we found the perfect partner in Tribes. And the way that we think we'll... Go! What we offer to Tribes is a global platform, access to other markets and access to expertise in other markets. And what Tribe offers us is access to the all-important India market. So we will be leaning on you guys when we have briefs for the India market to help us and craft our business and our stories here. And I've been full of confidence, having seen things for the last couple of days, that that's going to be great. And hopefully we can help you export business from India to the rest of the world by placing business. So that's the kind of origin of the partnership. that we would like to put together. And I think beyond that, there will be lots of opportunity that Gora and I have been discussing these last 2 days about other ideas exchange, potential business exchange. We're really interested in the sustainability project, for example. That could be something we'd be looking to partner with. I think that's a real area of growth for us, and I think that's something that you guys have spotted as well with your recent acquisition in the space. The technology that delivers results for clients. Technology in and of itself is not the solution. Technology is not a push-button solution that's going to change everything. It's how you use technology to enable better results and better outcomes for clients. So that's what we're all about. So just a bit more about the Billups app. It's a global database. It's a global planning platform. We've currently got just under 2 million pieces of out-of-home inventory from across the world within it. It means he can get an outcome out the door to a client really quickly. So it enables us to act more efficiently and deliver faster. We're really excited to be working with you. Really, really enthused. And I'm so glad I made the journey down to meet you all, and I can go back and report to my colleagues what a great decision we're making. And thank you again for your time, but thank you for making me so welcome.
This one is for the creative genius, Mr. Sonal Dabral. Ladies and gentlemen, the show will continue. Continuing the legacy of Sholay, we got Jay and Mausi Ji on the stage. Give it up for Amit and Upasna.
अरे बेटा, बस इतना समझ लो कि ऑफिस में जवान टीम्स सीने पर पत्थर के सिल के जैसी होती है। बस टीम का टारगेट हो जाए तो मैं चैन की सांस लूं।
हाँ, सच कहा मौसी, बड़ा बोझ है आप पर।
लेकिन बेटा, बोझ को कोई कुएं में थोड़ी ना फेंक देता है। अब बुरा मत मानना, पर इतना तो पूछना बनता है कि मार्केट अपॉर्चुनिटी कैसी है, भले बिजनेस कितना है।
बिजनेस का तो ये है मौसी कि एक बार टारगेट का जिम्मेदारी सिर पर आ गई तो टीम बिजनेस भी कर लेगी।
चाहे पूरे साल टीम निठल्ली बैठी रहे, मैं किसी का प्रमोशन नहीं करूंगी। मैनेजमेंट हूँ, कंसल्टेंट नहीं।
अजीब बात है मौसी, मैं इतनी देर से आपको समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं और आपने टीम की प्रमोशन रोक दी। न जाने अब बेचारी टीम क्या करेगी।
عندي خوش فصلة يا أخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة عندي لك رقصة قوية يا الحبيب اسمها الصبوحة خطبها نصيب مد يدك كنا بتعطيها كف وهز شتفك هيل خليك شديد عطني رقصة مفريسة زيد عليها شوي عندي بيزة حق المحتار اللي نعرفه صيده سويلي وقفة دانا هيبة فيمان يا أخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا أخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا أخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا أخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا أخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا أخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا أخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا أخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة.
It is time for the Chairman's Awards. So, may I take this opportunity to invite on stage for the Chairman's Awards? Gaur sir, can you please come on stage? And the first Chairman's Award, the name is Mr. Deep Kumar Sanyal. A loud roar! And the next one in line is Mr. Ravi Subramaniam. Coming up next is Hukum Chand Batra. And the next in line is, can I have Manika Malik on stage, please? Up next is Mahesh More. And now from Mumbai to Bengaluru, Inder Vikram Singh Parihar. और इसके बाद ट्राइब्स का चिराग का जिन अभिषेक डंगवाल. Next is in line is my gorgeous co-host Ambika Sharma. And now from Ambika to the lady who is absolutely ravishing and just stole our heart in those white wigs, Upasana Pokhriyal.
Give it up for Upasana Pokhriyal, guys.
Agla Chairman's Award. And the award goes to Manish Kalra. And now सिल्की जी से आग्रह करूंगा मंच पर आएं और चेयरमैन अवार्ड लेके जाएं. सिल्की चोपड़ा. Normal Saurabh calling Dr. Saurabh on stage, please, to take away the Chairman's Award.
Saurabh Chaudhary.
Give it up for Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary. आगे बढ़ते हैं और रुख करते हैं मुंबई की तरफ और वहां से बुलाते हैं रितेश चौधरी को. रितेश चौधरी, प्लीज कम अप ऑन स्टेज.
Give it up for Ritesh Chaudhary.
And call on stage Mr. Arpan Jain. And talking of brilliant creative thinkers, how can we leave Meenal? Meenal, you are next, please, on stage. मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा साध्वी तवलीन को. The next award which goes to कोलकाता से स्वरूप गुप्ता. अब ये भी करना पड़ेगा. And the next one is Saurabh Chauhan. And coming up next is अपना सितारा चेतन चित्कारा. And now coming up next is the Universal Mama. क्या नाम है? Paul Mama. The next name is Chaitanya Joshi. And now it's time for Avnish Singh to please come up on stage. अगला नाम, अरे मिश्रा मिश्रा, अभिषेक मिश्रा. Sharik Memorial Award, and I would like to invite Abhishek Dangwal and Ambika, they share this award, to please come up on stage. The next one is Vijay Rastogi Memorial Award. And the award goes to Deepak Kanpal. Please come on stage. The next one is the Shivaji Memorial Award. This legendary award goes to Inder Vikram Singh Parihar. Moving on to another biggie. This one is the COO of the year. And who is it going to be, Sanjay sir?
Ladies and gentlemen, none other than my dear friend Sanjeev Mishra.
भैया जी!
भैया जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां.
So from COOs, we move to the CEO of the year. And this is, first name on the list is Sanjay Shukla. Please come on stage. Rahul San, please come on stage. और अब मुगलिया सल्तनत के शहंशाह पार्थो घोष. So before we close the evening, few words from your side, sir.
Congratulations to all the winners. I think you all fully deserve. And also to people who've been here, also put in the effort, but are not winning any prizes today. My message to them, go back to the drawing board, work hard, and next year I want all of you to come onto the stage and win an award. We all have been made to believe, and we tend to believe that good boys finish last. And it is hence proven with all of you that good boys can also finish first. It is important to work with integrity. It is important that you work with dignity and come first. Case in example, Partho, who's always displayed enormous integrity, hard work, leading from the front. And that gives us the confidence that good boys also can finish first. So all of you to believe that good boys can also finish first. It is a difficult world. We all want to succeed. We all want to move ahead in life. We all are cutthroat. So my only message to all of you, yes, it is a cutthroat world, but please don't cut each other's throats. As Colonel Shivinder was saying, there is always a teamwork. it is the team that wins. Rob O'Neill may have, made the final kill shot, but the whole lot of people who were instrumental in getting him there. So teamwork will always win. So believe in teamwork, believe in comradeship, believe in camaraderie, and that is the only way that you will be able to succeed as a team. And that is most important. One announcement I wanted to make for some of you who are not aware is that last 31st of January, we were able to buy the complete 42.5% shareholding of our investors, which means that we have a lot of headroom, we have a lot of latitude and independence to move ahead. At the same time, we also must understand that you consolidate and move ahead. Move ahead with dignity and integrity and never compromise on that. That has been our philosophy and that has been our value, that we perform with integrity. And most importantly, there'll be winners and there'll be losers, and winners have to be rewarded. They have to be recognized, they have to be acknowledged. So one of the initiatives that I had taken, some of you would know who are in the group, that I had announced that the top 4 performers in business would be awarded with a trip of a lifetime. So these are the 4 people: Abhishek Dangwal, Inder Vikram Singh Parihar, Manika Malik, and Ambika Sharma, along with the person who got us the first Cannes shortlist. We were the only out-of-home company in the world who got a Cannes shortlist. So they would be sent next month to the trip of their lifetime to a cruise on Antarctica. Most importantly, I want to thank all of you, Saurav, Upasna, Ambika, Dangwal, Samir, and the all host of people for putting this together. It's an excellent, excellent event that has been organized by all of you. And most importantly, very big thank you to all our guests of honor, Sonal sir, Mitrajit, Nikhil, and most importantly, Mr. David Payne, who took the pain to come from all the way from London to be with us and experience us. Thank you so much, sir. And wish you all the very best. God bless you all. Please come up onto the stage. We'll have a group photograph.
Girls, put your hands up and say, Om Shanti Om. All the cool boys, come on, make some